Hey boys and girls, welcome back for Phonics and Language. So this week in Phonics, we're going to learn a new sound. We are going to be learning the digraphs that make the sound ooh. So it's kind of like the long U sound, because when you used to say the long, like you say you, and it kind of sounds like ew. But these are different ways to say that, and there are 3 ways to say the ooh sounds. It's pretty fun to go ooh and like do the little face with it, but these are, again, it's more of you just having to memorize how to spell the words. But I'm just mainly focused on you being able to actually say the word with the correct phonic sound. Because remember, as long as you phonetically spell it correct right now, you are golden. And you just have to be able to phonetically read it correctly. But I'm not too worried about you spelling these words correctly this week, because you know, it's a difficult skill. So you have to kind of memorize which ones to spell it with. But anyway, the ooh sound is made 3 ways. EW, which is usually going to come at the end of a word. UE, also usually going to come at the end of a word. And UI. Oh, my goodness, lots of ways to make ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so let's give some examples of these. So you better see it in a word and you can hear it. So our first one with the EW is going to be chew, chew. Here's another one. Blue, blue, blue. Okay, here is another one. I'm going to do 2 of them. Let's see. Screw. Ooh, screw. Through. Through. Ooh, through. Chew, blue, screw, through. All rhyming words with the ooh at the end. Okay, here's another one. UE at the end. So here's one. We use this a lot in class. Glue, ooh, glue. Okay. I'm going to give you that homophone. Remember, 2 words that are spelled differently but sound the same. Ooh, ooh, blue. So look, I put them side by side. This blue is like you blew with your mouth. This blue is the color. Yeah, so they both have that ooh sound, but they're spelled differently because they mean different things. Okay. Here's a big word. Rescue. Rescue. Very good. Rescue. Rescue. Okay, let's do this one where the UE does come in the middle sometimes. Fuel. Fuel. Fuel, like the fuel you use to fill up in the car with. Okay, so let's go over. Glue, blue, rescue, fuel. Very good. Okay, now the UI that says you. This one I wish we could go do right now. Cruise, cruise. Use. moose. Here's one. I know Max has been in this all week when at the beach. Swimsuit. Swimsuit. Very good. And then our last one. Something yummy we all like to eat in the summertime that's sweet. Fruit. Very good. Let's review them. Cruise, juice, swimsuit, fruit. Very good. So the EW, UE, and UI all go. Ooh. 3 ways to make the ooh sound. It's really fun to do it that way. So what you're going to do for practice, whoops, Spoden had her computer screen all wackadoo. I'm going to first give you a circle and sort to read some sentences and sort out the ooh sounds, the UE and the EW. You will practice first. Then after your circle and sort, I'm going to give you some I can reads. And one page is going to be all about the EW words. One is the UE words and one is the UI words. So you can match the picture and you can practice that ooh sound reading all of these words in the different ways. I'm also going to go ahead and give you those little posters for the ooh sound to help you remember them that I usually do. And then we are going to move on to language. So this week for writing, we're doing a lot of, we're going to do a lot of opinion writings and compare, contrast, different things. So we really want to just kind of review our verbs. So we're making sure we're using the correct verbiage when the subject-verb agreement when we're writing sentences to make sure it makes sense. So let's review what a verb is. What is a verb? An action. Very good. A verb is an action. So Miss Boda's going to give you 5 different pages of task cards where you just have to read the sentence. All the directions are the same. Write the verb in the following sentence. So they give you a sentence. And I want you to find the action. And whatever number's on the card, go to that number on the page and write that verb in that box. So for example, here's box number 3. Here's the sentence. Paul hikes to his favorite fishing hole. What is the action? What is he doing? Hikes. Very good. So I would write the word hikes right here in box number 3 because that is something you can show me. That's an action. I'm also going to give you our Schoolhouse Rock link so you can watch that video to review action verbs as well. So I also want you to notice in these sentences, the subject is basically our noun, who our sentence is about, and then your verb, what it's doing. And I want you to notice how they agree, where sometimes if the subject is going to be singular, being one, the verb is going to have the S at the end of it. Or if our subject, that noun, is going to be more than one, the verb is not going to have the S at the end of it. So start taking notice of that because we're going to be doing some things later on with that. But that's basically our phonics and our language for today. I'll be back with math in a second. See you guys in a bit.